Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am back with the new videos. In this video I'm going to convert a simple tin can into a beautiful flower vase. Firstly, I'm pasting this tissue paper on the can with the help of Fevicol. Why I'm doing so? Because when we directly paint the can, color doesn't stick on it. So to avoid that, we have to paste any kind of paper. You can paste any paper, A4 sheet, tissue paper or any paper. So paste the paper all over for the perfect coloring. After pasting the paper, keep it to dry. Now I'm pasting one more thick paper because the surface is a bit coarse. To make the surface smooth, I'm pasting this thick white paper. It's a poster paper. So now it's ready for coloring. I'm painting it with the parrot color. I got this color by mixing of dark green plus small amount of white color. After coloring all over, keep it to dry for 10 minutes. Ding ding! So these are the flower patches that I showed you in the previous video. Now I'm gonna use these patches to make this vase beautiful. Actually, it's a bit difficult to paste these patches on it, so I'm pasting with the help of these rubbers. Tan-dan-dan! Our vase is ready. Indeed, it's fantastic. Now our vase is ready to put some flowers in it for its completion. So if you guys liked this idea, give thumbs up and subscribe for more such creation. Bye bye till the next video. Take care.